Hello, good people. This is Sherry, and I am doing this quick video to show you what I've been working on. This is something that has been in my head for a while, and I finally got up and just got it done. This design is what I wanted to do. I wanted to do this mud cloth design, and originally what I wanted to do with it is to do it like this with the ends plain, because I want to wrap fabric around these two sides and leave the mud cloth etchings there. But then when I was designing, I got I got excited, and I started putting little things around the edges, and then I did the little middle part. And the way that I created the file is the middle part comes out. So the middle part is really a separate earring. So just pop it. If you cut it yourself, you're going to pop it out, and you have another little earring. I never like to have wasted material. So that's how that is. I'm going to sell these as blanks. They're going to be plain. I mean, this is just the unfinished wood. Even though it looks, because of the burn marks, you might want to just leave it. You would leave it like this, or you could stain it. I had a dark brown stain that I put on this wood before I cut them, and this is how these turned out. And then I had designed this a long time ago, and I never did anything with it, but this design is available in the SVG. I'm selling this file. I'm going to sell these earrings as blanks, and then I'm also going to sell the design file. So the design file will have this design, and the one like this. So for those of you who have cutting machines, this is available. But I wanted to, so my question to you is, do you like it better stained or unstained? That's kind of my question for you. I'm very excited about my little designs. I love, I love mud cloth designs. So like I said, I just really had to get this out of my head, get it done. And I am going to be wrapping these with different kinds of fabrics, different colors, making it very colorful. And I cut mine on some thick wood. I cut it on like 1/4 inch wood, which makes it kind of thick. And then I just cut this last one on the thinner wood, and it's just as nice. I thought it needed to have the thicker wood because I wanted to have a little bit of weight. But it's okay on the thinner wood too. So I don't know why I was thinking I just had to cut it on thick wood. This is really thick wood. There's nothing on the back. But let me know what you think about these. I love them. So, but you won't hurt my feelings if you say you don't like them. But all right, good people. This is Sherry, owner and designer for Sherika Originals Handcrafted Gifts, where we help you create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. And that's the thing. I mean, I'm always looking to do something different. I never want to do what everybody else is doing. This came out of here, another little piece. But so leave me a comment, a like, a thumbs up, a hype. If you're new here and you haven't subscribed, I would love it if you subscribed. Look for there's going to be a link in the description to purchase these as blanks. And it's going to be a link to purchase the SVG file. All right, good people, this is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.